Who are the celebrities you follow? Why? उनमें क्या देखती हो? Substance, दोस्ती?
मैं बहुत सारे celebrities follow नहीं करती. लड़कियों में मैं उंगलियों पे गिन सकती हूँ. I follow Hareem because she was there when I gave my first audition, so I will forever respect her. Okay. She was there for me. Then I follow Ikra. Ikra is that person I feel like if I'm stuck anywhere and I have to call an actress, I'll call her. Then comes Mahira, is the same with her. If I'm stuck somewhere, I will call her and I know she'll answer and she'll get back to me and help me out. She has done that before as well. Sabaa Qamar and Mehwish, I follow because I'm a fan of their work. And Sana Javed is somebody I think, I really like her energy. I follow Armina. I reconnected with her after doing Janan recently, so I follow her. And I follow Saboor. Saboor I worked with and we had a great chemistry with. So उंगलियों में काम करती हूँ लड़कियाँ. लड़के, I follow Feroz. We've been great friends. I follow Bilal because I'm a fan of his acting. I think he's a brilliant actor. So I follow Fahad Mustafa because he's so nice.
Alright.
He's so nice.
You are the authority. Let's suppose जैसे जो भी आपका highest award होता है देते हो. आपने एक award देना है इस पर Best Actress Award and Best Actor Male. आप बताएं. ठीक है. Okay. और actress?
Sabaa Qamar.
So TikTok, being on TikTok, very less celebrities are on TikTok, and they are very conscious that लोग उनको judge करेंगे. When you decided to be on TikTok, उसके पीछे it was just because कि यार मैं Dub Smash में भी थी and I just want to be there. I enjoy it, or it is just because you think it is the age जहाँ पे आप इन चीज को you need to be there.
Yeah, it is a bit of both. Okay. Because I think. Why people keep up with Instagram. Half of our actors or whoever, they keep up with Instagram or Facebook. They used to with Facebook, now Instagram because they know brands, there's endorsements over there, there's work on social media. Then there's a part, the other side where people just want to put up their pictures, just enjoy. I like to keep a balance. मैं अपने दिमाग पे सवार नहीं करती Instagram because I enjoy talking to my fans. I really enjoy कि polls करूँ, मुझे जवाब आए, उनसे बातें करूँ.
So you do interact a lot.
Pictures. Yeah. I reply to almost every comment when I have the time.
मतलब अगर मैं आपकी जाके Instagram कहूँ कि आज मेरी birthday है, मुझे wish कर.
हाँ, मैं birthday से wish करती हूँ comments में.
What annoys you the most and how do you deal with it?
People who think big of themselves.
Okay.
Not big in a way कि it's okay to know your potential, but people who think that somebody else is inferior to them.
How do you deal with it? Ignore?
Yeah. I ignore it. I learn from it.
Okay.
Because मैंने ऐसी जिंदगी में चीजें करनी सीखी हैं कि दो रास्ते होते हैं जब आपसे कुछ बुरा हो रहा होता है. या तो आप कहते हैं कि मेरे साथ बुरा हुआ है, मैं भी यही करूंगा, सबको ये फील होना चाहिए. या तो होता है आप कहते हैं कि यार इस बंदे ने मेरे साथ ये किया, मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा है, मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं करूंगी ताकि किसी को ऐसा लगे जैसे मुझे लगा है. So I feel like whenever I see somebody doing something bad and I see कि किसी और को hurt हुआ है, अगले का expression आपको नजर आता है, कोई किसी से बदतमीजी करता है तो मैं सीखती हूँ कि मुझे ये चीज नहीं करनी क्योंकि अगले को देखो वो कैसा फील कर रहा है.
शोहरत, इज्जत और पैसा.
इज्जत होगी अगर आप मुझे रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे तो काम होगा. ठीक है. जब मैं सेट पे जाऊंगी और मुझे इज्जत नहीं मिलेगी तो फिर शोहरत तो नहीं आएगी. ठीक है. तो इज्जत, फिर शोहरत, फिर पैसा.
जिंदगी का मकसद उसकी जुस्तजू.
जिंदगी क्या, आई थिंक बड़ी खूबसूरत चीज है. We should try and live every single moment. I think it's an amalgamation of good and bad decisions in life. मेरा मकसद है खुश रहना, मेरे इर्द गिर्द जितने लोगों को खुश रखना. I have a thing where I feel like I love humans in general. मुझे इंसानों से बहुत प्यार है, मुझे अल्लाह से बहुत डर है. और अल्लाह कहता है कि मेरे बंदे को खुश रखो और अच्छे से पेश आओ, इंसानों के हुकूक और दैट. So I feel like मेरा काम है हर इंसान से अच्छे रहना, खुदा से डरना, अच्छी चीज बोलना, अच्छी चीज करना, बुराई नहीं करना, और इसी तरह जिंदगी निकल जाएगी और मैं खुश रहूंगी जब मैं अच्छी चीज करूंगी.
लॉजिकल हो ज्यादा या इमोशनल हो अप्रोच क्या जिंदगी में?
Bit of both.
51%.
50-50.
50.50. अच्छा, इतना स्ट्रिक्ट बैलेंस जो है वो क्यों है?
नहीं, because I feel like from a very young age I saw a lot of emotion. And also I saw a lot of practicality. Okay. There were times in my life where I had to be very practical. I mean, I have been that friend always that my friends have reached out to for advice. You know, that person जो बीच में बैठा है, solve करो, बात करो, let's talk it out.
Negotiate.
Typing messages for my friends कि अच्छा ये बात करनी है. So I've been very practical in that way as well. Where's the money coming from? Kahan jana hai? You know, all of those things. And at the same time, I've seen a lot of very sad people in my life from a very young age. I sympathize with people a lot.
Okay.
I cut people slack. I make sure I don't judge them because I go to the thought that, you know, you never know what's going on in their life. Right. So I'm also emotional like that. So I've seen both. So I keep a balance. I give everybody benefit of the doubt if they're acting out or whatever. Okay. Chalo, you know, you never know what somebody is going through.
अगर 3-4 साल का सफर मैं पूछूं जो अभी तक 4 years होंगे ना इंडस्ट्री में, उसको वो journey you have accepted it, you've been accepted.
First 2 years, I think in the industry, I didn't know how things happen. Okay. So उस वक्त, I think I made a lot of friends. I was genuine to a lot of people. But then I realized that there's something off about this place. So first 2 years, I spent making friends and being happy and posting pictures. So ऐसा भी होता होगा जब ये लोग देखेंगे उनको समझ आएगी because there were a lot of people I was posting pictures with and hanging out with, but then suddenly it just vanished.
Yeah.
So I noticed patterns where I would sit, if we were sitting in a personal setting and a private setting and I was crying about something, we were having a good time or discussing personal issues, and tomorrow I meet you and you're like, something. Okay. I've seen people do that. The third year, I started developing anxiety and I went through depression for 2 years, and very recently I started taking therapy. The third year, I think I kind of collapsed, where I didn't know how to take it. Everything was very negative around me. You know, I talk to my friends and I'd be like, yaar, ye kaise log hain? They get a kick out of talking bad about people. You know, if somebody's done something wrong, किसी की ज़िंदगी में कुछ बुरा चल रहा है, उसकी headline बन रही है, ये लोग हंस रहे हैं बैठ के. You know, so these were my concerns. And then I started thinking about it and it got me, I was very down for a while. Still keeping up with my work and everything, but inside I felt like I was drowning, like I was in a place where I didn't want to be.
लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है to accept this thing, कि publicly या फिर even in front of the family वो चीज़ को accept करें कि this is something that they need to go for a professional advice. They just take it for granted.
A lot of people that I'm around, they don't know. They don't know that I've started going. They don't know. It's a very personal thing.
Very personal thing, and I think ये भी बड़ी दूसरी बात है कि ये इस चीज़ की realization होना is a blessing basically. That यार I need therapy for this. This is something that I need to work on. I need to go to somebody and go get a professional advice.
Yeah, you have one life. If you're a good person at heart, I mean, God's given you all of this. Why be miserable? मेरी जिंदगी एक जिंदगी है. इतना मुझे अच्छा मिल रहा है. मैं दिल से अच्छा सोचती हूँ. You know, I'm very positive. Why should I go through this? Why should I be sad? You don't deserve to be sad. You should be happy. So you should get help.
People say ना ignorance is a blessing. तो वो लोग उसमें रहते हैं in their very static life, in their shell. उससे बाहर नहीं आते. But knowing this, that you were brave enough to understand that this is something that I need a professional help. I need to work on this, and you're very fortunate. I think people that you were surrounded must be a very positive energy. I'm sure कि आप
they don't know.
You don't know?
People around me don't know.
अच्छा.
They don't know. When I'd gone for therapy, done like 2 sessions, then I came back and I was like, guys, I'm going to therapy today.
अच्छा, but there was nobody. कोई तो होगा, एक दो लोग ऐसे जो.
No. I was talking to a friend of mine and she was telling me कि she goes to this person and she's very good. And I was like, can I have your number? It's like, yeah, definitely. If you want to go, you should go. And I just contacted that person and let's do this. And I started, yeah.
इस शो का नाम इस वाले एपिसोड का इन कन्वर्सेशन विद हानिया आमिर होना चाहिए because I try to be a good moderator. You know, I talk less, I try to, but in this आपने मुझे काफी इन्वॉल्व कर लिया और एकदम के लिए मुझे फील है कैमरास भी हैं, शो चल रहा है. So thank you. हमने बहुत सी बातें बोली. Thank you हानिया once again. जाते जाते कुछ गिफ्ट्स हैं आपके लिए.
Thank you, how sweet.
So हानिया, आपके बहुत से फैंस हैं, हम तो हैं ही और आज ज्यादा हो गए हैं. जी. तो अगर आप अपने फैंस के लिए ये वाली कैप को थोड़ा और एपिक कर दें, आपने साइन कर दें, वो वाले जो आप चेक पे करती हैं ताकि हम कॉपी कर लें.
कहाँ करूँ?
कहीं भी कर दें. The lucky person who can win this cap, उसको सिर्फ 3 काम करने हैं. पहला काम सब्सक्राइब करें. दूसरा काम ज्यादा कमेंट करें. तीसरा काम अनसब्सक्राइब करें. मजाक कर रहा हूँ. अच्छे लोगों को टैग करें और यू माइट हैव अ चांस टू विन.
जैसे कि मैं कह रही थी कि लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू हिज चैनल and subscribe करें. So whenever he uploads a new video, a new interview, you can watch it. He is a very nice person. तो ऐसे ही कर देंगे, अच्छा इंसान है, इसीलिए कर देंगे कि शायद अगर मैं आपको अच्छी लगती हूँ तभी करता हूँ।
मैं दुआएं करूंगा,
मैं भी दुआएं करूंगी, बहुत अच्छी बात है।
हाँ।
Yes, of course. Also, thank you for having me on this show.
Thank you for coming and sharing
because honestly,
great stuff.
Thank you very much. I have not done one-on-one interviews for a very long time.
We're honored.
मैंने शायद 2 दफा ऐसा कुछ किया है और मैं नहीं चाहती because recently I've been very scared. I just want to share this because you've made me feel this comfortable. Just know that.
So we got this expression. Thank you so much once again. जाते जाते पाकिस्तान
जिंदाबाद।